Alright, this is just a little testy tester tin. I've got some new lighting. I've got a umbrella light over here, umbrella light over here, and a backlight over here. I'm just wondering if it's making the video any crisper or cleaner. It's not high wattage, but it was a kit I got on Amazon. It was ePhoto. Came with a green screen and 3 lights. So I want to try the green screen and see how that thing works out. Been doing a lot of garbage mat tests with my Premiere elements, but I'd like to kind of try some green screen. That'd be really, really cool. But I kind of wanted to see what this lighting would do for me, you know, if it made things any better. But we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and switch to my Canon, and we'll see my Canon HFR 500, and I'll show you the lighting setup and show you what I've got going on here in my cheesy home studio. So I want to flip to that camera. Alright, so here is my lighting setup. Let's see, I have key light. That's where I sit right there. There's the camera. There's the key light. And I got a fill light over here. And I got my backlight slash hair light over here. So I'm kind of wondering how this thing's going to look. Let's see. My completely unprofessional studio. I'll tell you what, that bag fits a lot of stuff in it. I'm going to be able to put my sound stuff in there and everything. As long as the bag don't rip, we'll be good to go. Alright, I'm going to switch back to my other camera. So that was my lighting setup. Pretty cool. Got the handy old HFR 500. I love this little camera. This thing works great. So just want to see what it looks like. I'm going to slap this into the editor and see if it makes any difference having these lights on. Well, I guess here's a good idea. Why don't I shut them off and see what it looks like without them? Well, that's without the lights. So there you go. I'm cheating a little bit. Let me turn on the lights I would normally have on when I was filming. I would turn on a ton of lights in the house. So let's see what we got. Okay, now there's with some lights on. Now I haven't changed the ISO. The ISO set at 320. So I probably would have this cranked up to 800. But when I turn these lights on, the picture gets real vivid real quick. So let's see what happens when we crank the lights back on again. So the lights are off. This is what it looks like. Lights back on. That's just the key light. That's the key in the hair. That's the key, the hair, and the fill light. So we'll talk to you later. Off to the editor.